Grabe, hindi ko in-expect Korea's iconic chimek spot to taste this good. Kaya ito na nga, may good news dahil Daily Beer is finally here in the Philippines. Kaka-open lang nila ng kanilang first ever branch sa Pilipinas sa Juan Paseo, Arcovia City, Pasig. And sobrang legit, para akong dinala nito sa Korea. Look at that. Crispy Korean fried chicken. Juicy, saucy, flavorful, yung tipong hindi ka makapaghihintay kahit sunog dila, go pa rin. And syempre, chimek without beer, their famous craft draft beer is super smooth, perfect match sa chicken. As in the ultimate one more bite, one more drink moment. They also have Korean comfort food classics like tteokbokki, cheese balls, fries, and many more. Lahat masarap at napasabi talaga ako ng okay, last na talaga pero hindi pa pala. So kung craving ka ng authentic Korean chimek experience na di na kailangan pang mag-Korea, nandito na siya sa Pasig. Tara, chicken and beer na tayo sa Daily Beer Philippines sa Juan Paseo, Arcovia, Pasig. For that authentic Korean chimek done right. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-eats. Until next time, bye-bye!